I hereby induct the two Augusta 109P gunships and Mi-171E helicopter as NAF 578 and 579.
This marks the reinforcement and re-enhancement to air power.
Your Excellency, your commitment to re-equipping and reorganizing the armed forces has added absolute value to our capability to conduct kinetic, logistical, and humanitarian operations.
The new helicopters are two Augusta 109 Power and Mi-171E combat helicopters. The aircraft were purchased through the support of Italy and Russian governments. The event also featured combat display by airmen.
Using the Krav Maga, an ancient Israeli fighting technique, for the next phase of the combat display.
President Muhammadu Buhari has promised to end Boko Haram kidnapping and other criminalities. From the Eagle Square in Abuja, Dorcas Bello Viewer Television News.